How to cancel CapCut Pro subscription. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can cancel CapCut Pro subscription. If you're using an Android phone, then you want to launch open Google Play Store. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you want to select the option of Payment and Subscriptions. Now open Subscriptions. Look for CapCut subscription in the list. Tap it and you'll see the option to cancel directly. If you're using iPhone, open Settings, tap on your Apple ID, select Subscriptions. You will see a list of all of your active subscriptions, including CapCut Pro. So go ahead and select that and then cancel it from here. Now, if you want to cancel CapCut in a website, then all you want to do is open up the CapCut website and log into your account. From there, go to your account settings and cancel your subscription from the web browser. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.